Hello and welcome back to our Introduction to Programming with Python series. In this particular video, you will be looking at operators in Python, understanding operators for efficient code. Okay, so what are operators? Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Okay, so the operators are special symbols that we use to perform operations on variables and then on values. Okay, so they are basically used to perform operations. Okay. So there are different types of operators in Python. You have arithmetic operators, you have the comparison operators, you have the logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, identity operators, and membership operators. So let's look into detail at what arithmetic operators are. Okay, so arithmetic operators actually helps in operations such as addition, as you can see here, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and then exponential. So this is basically the addition sign. You already know this mathematical wise. We know that this actually is used for adding two numbers or values or any variable, adding two variables. Okay, so a typical example is this. Okay, 5 plus 3, it gives us 8. Okay, so the moment you run this or you type this and then you run it in any Python interpreter, is going to give you this value. You have the subtraction operator, which basically taking a number from another number, okay, or taking something from a variable. So this is the mathematical operator for that. So 5 minus 3 here in Python is going to give us this. Okay, we are going to do that quickly. We have the multiplication also, 5 times 3, it gives us 15. We have the division operator. Okay, so here 5 divided by 2 gives us 2.5. Okay, and then we have the floor division. The floor division is an operator that actually runs down. Okay, so it runs down. So let's say you have 5 divided by 3 is supposed to give us 2.5. So the floor division operator actually runs down this value. So instead of 2.5, it gives us 2 for that. Okay, you have the modulus, which is the percentage sign as we traditionally know. So this actually gives us the remainder. Okay, after the so 5 divided by 2 is going to give us 2.5. So 5 modulo 2 here is going to give us the remainder. That is 2 into 5 is 2, 2 to 4. So it's going to be left with 1. So a modulus is actually giving us the remainder of our operation. Okay, then you have the exponential, which is 2 asterisks or 2 stars. Okay, so 5 exponent 2. 5 star 2 basically means 5 times 5. It gives us 25. So let's look at a quick practice of an arithmetic operator. So for this, you are going to use Python. Okay, let's use that in ideally. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do is let me share screen. Okay. All right, so let's try addition operator. The moment I type 5 plus 5, it gives us 10. So that is the addition operator. 5 minus 3 gives us 2, as we can see here. 5 times 3. So you mentioned that in programming or in Python programming, the star is used to represent multiplication. So I do this, it gives us 15. So 5 divided by 2. It says 2.5, which is a float. Okay, we're looking at data types very soon. Floor division actually runs it back. So you have 5 slash 2. It gives us 2 because you are saying that floor division actually runs down this value. So instead of 2.5, it runs it down to the nearest whole number, which is 2. Okay, so let's move on to the next, the modulo. So 5 percentage. So 5 percentage 2 gives us 1, which is the remainder. And then we have the exponents. So 5 star 2. Sorry, 5 star 2. Basically 5 raised to the power 2, which is 5 times 5. Okay, it gives us 25. So that is it for arithmetic operators. So let's look at a different type.